Difference between validity and reliability. Reliability and validity are concepts used to evaluate the quality of research. They indicate how well a method, technique, or test measures something. Validity refers to the accuracy of a measure, whereas reliability refers to the consistency of a measure. In validity, it can relate to the question of whether the results really do represent what they are supposed to measure. On the other hand, in reliability, it can relate to the question of whether the results can be reproduced under the same condition. Validity mainly focuses on the outcome, whereas reliability mainly focuses on maintaining consistent results. Validity has more analysis and is harder to achieve. On the other hand, reliability is comparatively easier and yields faster results. There cannot be validity without reliability, whereas there can be reliability without validity. Even if validity of an instrument is poor, for certain tests it can have high reliability. On the other hand, when reliability is poor, validity may also be poor. Thus, usefulness of a test or experiment are negligible. If the results are not valid, the test is of no use at all. Whereas, if the results cannot be replicated, the test is of little use. Examples of different types of validity are phase validity, construct validity, content validity, criterion validity, concurrent validity, conversion validity, external validity, and internal validity. Examples of different types of reliability are test-retest reliability, parallel forms reliability, inter-rater reliability, internal reliability, and external reliability. What is validity? Validity is the ability of an instrument to measure what it is designed to measure. Smith 1991 has defined validity as the degree to which the researcher has measured what he has set out to measure. Types of validity. There are three basic types of validity in research. These are content validity, criterion-related validity, construct validity. Content validity can be further classified into phase validity. Criterion-related validity can be further classified into predictive validity and concurrent validity. Construct validity can be further classified into conversion validity and discriminant validity. We will now look at each of these in some detail. What is content validity? Content validity ensures that the measure includes an adequate and representative set of items that tap the concept. The more the scale items represents the domain or universe of the concept being measured, the greater the content validity. Type of content validity, phase validity. Phase validity indicates that the items that are intended to measure concept do on the face of it look like they measure the concept. What is criterion-related validity? Criterion-related validity is established when the measure differentiates individuals on a criterion it is expected to predict. This can be done by establishing concurrent validity or predictive validity. What is concurrent validity? Concurrent validity is established when the scale discriminates individuals who are known to be different, that is, they should score differently on the instrument. What is predictive validity? Predictive validity indicates the ability of the measuring instrument to differentiate among individuals with reference to a future criterion. What is construct validity? Construct validity testifies to how well the result obtained from the use of the measure fit the theories around which the test is designed. This can be done by establishing convergent and discriminant validity. What is convergent validity? Convergent validity is established when the scores obtained with two different instruments measuring the same concepts are highly correlated. What is discriminant validity? Discriminant validity is established when, based on theory, two variables are predicted to be uncorrelated and the scores obtained by measuring them are indeed empirically found to be so. A brief validity description. Content validity. Does the measure adequately measure the concept? Phase validity. Do experts validate that the instruments measure what it names suggests it measures? Criterion-related validity. Does the measure differentiate in a manner that helps to predict a criterion variable? Concurrent validity. Does the measure differentiate in a manner that helps to predict a criterion variable currently? Predictive validity. Does the measure differentiate individuals in a manner that helps predict a future criterion? Construct validity. Does the instrument tap the concept as theorized? Convergent validity. Do two instruments measuring the concept correlate highly? Discriminant validity. Does the measure have a low correlation with a variable that is supposed to be unrelated to this variable? What is reliability? The reliability of a measure indicates the extent to which it is without bias, error-free, and hence ensures consistent measurement across time and across the various items in the instrument. In other words, the reliability of a measure is an indication of the stability and consistency with which the instrument measures the concept and helps to assess the goodness of a measure. There are four types of reliability in research. These are test-retest reliability, parallel form reliability, inter-rater reliability, internal consistency. Internal consistency can be further classified into inter-item consistency, reliability, and split-half reliability. Let's now discuss them in detail. What is test-retest reliability? The reliability coefficient obtained by repetition of the same measure on a second occasion is called test-retest reliability. Test-retest reliability example. When a questionnaire containing some items that are supposed to measure a concept is administered to a set of respondents, now and again to the same respondents, say several weeks to 6 months later, and the correlation between the scores obtained at the two different times from one and the same set of respondents is called the test-retest coefficient. The higher it is, the better the test-retest reliability and consequently the stability of the measure across time. What is parallel form reliability? Parallel form reliability is that when responses on two comparable sets of measures tapping the same construct are highly correlated. Both forms have similar items and the same response format, the only changes being the wording and the order or sequence of the questions. What is inter-rater reliability? Inter-rater reliability, also called inter-observer reliability, measures the degree of agreement between different people observing or assessing the same thing. You use it when data is collected by researchers assigning ratings, scores, or categories to one or more variables. What is internal consistency? Internal consistency assesses a correlation between multiple items in a test that are intended to measure the same construct. Internal consistency can be examined through the inter-item consistency reliability and split-half reliability test. What is inter-item consistency reliability? The inter-item consistency reliability is a test of the consistency or respondents' answers to all the items in the measure. To the degree what items are independent measures of the same concept, they will be correlated with one another. The most popular test of inter-item consistency reliability is Cronbach's and coefficient alpha, Cronbach's 1946, which is used for multi-point scaled items, and the Kuder-Richardson formulas, Kuder and Richardson 1937, used for dichotomous items. What is split-half reliability test? Split-half reliability reflects the correlations between two halves of an instrument. The estimates will vary depending on how the items in the measure are split into two halves. Which type of reliability applies to my research? The type of reliability you should use depends on the type of research and your methodology. Let's now see example. Methodology used. Measuring a property that you expect to stay the same over time. Which type of reliability is suitable? Test-retest. Multiple researchers making observations or rating about the same topic. Inter-rater reliability is suitable here. Using two different tests to measure the same thing. Parallel form reliability is suitable here. Using a multi-item test where all the items are intended to measure the same variable. Internal consistency reliability is suitable here. Thank you for watching this video.